Confirm thermostat wire polarity and function before powering the system to prevent damage, repeated mistakes, and costly repairs when a previous installation looks suspect. Start by turning off power at the circuit breaker and the furnace switch, then remove the thermostat faceplate and label each wire with its terminal letter using removable tape so you have a clear map. If the old installer mixed colors, the labels become your source of truth. Next, trace the wires visually as far as you can toward the furnace or air handler. If they disappear into a wall, open the furnace low voltage terminal strip panel and identify which conductor lands where, writing those terminal letters beside your labeled conductors. Use a handheld multimeter set to low voltage alternating current to measure voltage between the common conductor and the power conductor MD. A working 24 volts indicates you have a proper transformer feed. If you see 0 volts, check transformer secondary terminals for continuity and replace the transformer if it is open. For systems with heat pump or zone controls, test each control circuit one at a time. Apply the appropriate control signal at the board and verify the expected response compressor contactor pulls in. Reversing valve energizes. Zone valve opens. If polarity-sensitive smart thermostats or thermostats that require a common conductor are involved, verify the common is continuous back to the transformer common terminal with an ohmmeter. If continuity fails, pull and re-terminate the common at both ends or add a proper common using a compatible power extender kit following the thermostat manufacturer instructions. Label mismatches are best corrected by re-terminating wires to the correct board terminals, not by recoloring wires. Recoloring hides the root cause. If you encounter shared neutrals or control bundles, map every conductor on a spreadsheet or photo so future techs won't repeat mistakes. Finally, after correcting wiring, restore power and perform a staged functional test for heat, cool, fan, and any auxiliary or emergency heat with the system at normal set points, watching for correct sequence and watching current draw at the contactor if available to confirm no shorted circuits. One of the most common thermostat wiring mistakes is mixing up color codes and terminal functions, which causes incorrect heating or cooling operation. Fix it by tracing each wire to the furnace control board and labeling both ends, then re-terminate to the correct terminal. One of the next frequent issues is assuming 24 volts without measuring, leading to damaged smart thermostats. Fix that by measuring with a multimeter between the power and common terminals and replacing or repairing the transformer if voltage is absent or unstable. One of the third common problems is skipping continuity checks on the common conductor, which makes Wi-Fi thermostats behave erratically. Fix this by testing continuity from thermostat common to transformer common and installing a proper common or power kit when continuity is missing. BigHomeProjects.com lists vetted local contractors and makes it easy for homeowners to compare licensed professionals who handle thermostat wiring and furnace control work. The directory helps contractors get work by connecting them with motivated homeowners and showcasing verified skills, licensing, and customer reviews.